Hi everyone, my name is Renor. I'm the founder of Amula AI. We help businesses understand how they can use AI and automations to improve their workflows and build more efficient systems. In many cases, this starts with something we call an AI audit. We analyze how they work and how their work moves through their company and where I can create real leverage. Today I want to show you something very interesting. We are seeing a new category of tools emerging, AI coding agents, and one of the most powerful ones is Claude Code right now. And in this video, I show you 5 practical ways businesses can actually use Claude Code to automate workflows and build systems faster. Most companies think AI tools are mainly useful for things like writing text or generating ideas or emails, whatever. But tools like Claude Code go much further. It's not just an encode agent, but it's much more than this. It can understand entire code bases, generate scripts, analyze systems, and build functionality much faster than traditional development. This means businesses can start building internal tools and automating much faster. So a CRM, a self-developed CRM is much more possible nowadays. But the key question is, where does this actually make sense in a business environment, and what it really gives businesses, like what is the possibilities with Claude Code. So here are 5 of the most powerful cases for this. Number 1 is internal workflow automation. So before we had tools like Make or tools like N8N that helped you connect the dots and connect the different nodes to automate different tasks. And now you can do this fully with Claude Code. So this can be copying information or creating folders, generating reports, like updating internal databases, so meaning files, folders that have to be automated, or sending repetitive emails, meaning this can be automating invoices that still didn't get paid, or anything in that direction can be done with Claude Code. So really one place for automating a business admin works. Number 2, or case 2, is building internal tools. So this can be anything from tracking projects, like a project management tool, managing internal data, generating documents, analyzing information. So anything really that is related to projects or related to anything in the business itself that can be done in a tool. This can be built with Claude Code. And you can even build tools like that generate dashboards or that process scripts, like data processing scripts, or small web tools where you generate PDFs or whatever. Like anything in that regards can be done with Claude Code. Case number 3 is automating data processing. So anything that has, like many companies deal with large amounts of data every day. So this can be invoices paid, financial data, anything in that regards, CRM data, sales, and so on and so forth. This can be automated, and Claude Code can generate scripts that automatically clean data, transform data, analyze data, prepare reports. So you don't really need anyone doing your data cleaning anymore. In case number 3, we have system integration. So you have a lot of different tools. You have your CRM, you have your project management, you have all of the other tools and databases that you use in the business. You can integrate all of these in one place. So with Claude Code, in that regard, we will see that many businesses will have more possibility to integrate their tools. Like it doesn't really matter what tools you use, you can all integrate them in one place through Claude Code. And just it will be a more seamless experience within businesses and their workflows, especially when they know how to use Claude Code and know how to integrate all of these and what really makes sense the most. And the 5th and last case that I want to show today is the rapid prototyping. So let's say you want to launch something into the company, some internal tool or whatever, and you need to prototype it first with one department because it's an enterprise or whatever. You can do this rapidly, like very fast. So meaning like anything in that regards when it comes to assistance, knowledge search tools, automation scripts, internal AI agents, whatever. So anything in that regard, is absolutely possible to do with Claude Code and can be done very fast. So the strategic takeaway that I have with Claude Code in this regard is it's looking like this. It's not just a coding tool, so it's not just a coding tool first, and it's more like a development accelerator. So meaning anything that needs to be developed, that needs to be done, we have to get something done by next week, whatever, can be automated, can be done very fast. And it's like the same with every other AI tool that is out there. The real value doesn't come from the technology itself. So real value, not from tech itself, but from how it's integrated. If you use Claude Code to write your emails, you're not using it correctly. So meaning you still need some kind of expert that did it by itself, or did it for himself, or in other cases or in other businesses, that will show you how to really use it the most efficient and the most the best way. And what's the best way? Like in tools like Claude Code, the best way can be, is it really automating real workflows? If so, what are these workflows? These questions of what or where are these workflows? Like, is it a physical one? Do we need to print stuff? Whatever. All of this we find out in the audit. In any different scenario, or in anything in the future, everything that will come out and that will be out there, you always will need an expert that shows you a way. Yes, AI can help you in a certain regard and into a certain topic, but not for everything, and especially not for very customized infrastructure. So let's say you start building different tools for your integrated company, for your internal company. This will mean you will have, let's say, 15 different tools talking to each other via API, Where is security? How can we stay compliant? And so on and so forth. Everything can be cleared out in one Amula AI audit. With all the different clients that we had in the past, it was always the same result at the end. Yes, your workflows may be good, or maybe you don't even have any workflows and you just work and you just make money by doing that. And then you have to integrate these workflows. Even for that, the AI audit is helpful for. So I would suggest to anybody watching my videos, seeing my LinkedIn content, whatever, book a call down below. Let's talk about the audit. I will show you how we really integrated integrated tools and integrated workflows for different companies in the past year, which helped us to reach 6 figures in the first year of business, just because we were focusing on delivering good tools, first and second, good workflow automation by doing the AI audit. Now let's coming back to the Claude Code. If you're interested in more practical examples of how businesses can use AI and automations to improve their systems, make sure to subscribe, because it's going to be a lot of more content coming out like this. Now I'll continue exploring new tools and showing how they can actually be used inside real businesses. I won't be doing like tutorials or something, but if I see something that helped the client or me myself doing stuff, I will absolutely show this on YouTube. And yeah, you stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. It's always a pleasure. And check out the social media accounts. book a call if you're interested in an audit, if you want to know how it works, if you want to know how it can help you. And yeah, we'll see us the next time. Thank you very much.